So hi guys, your intro is going to be short, and one news I have to discuss with you is that my Instagram account has been started. So the link would be in the channel banner and plus in the description, and you can follow me there to not miss out anything. So today I am only going to talk about two filters because image effects, image pen and draw, because image pen and draw will take time. So let's start the video. So I am not going to put song in image effects. So image effects 8. Pretty cool though. Filters, image effects, edge detect. First option. So this is like, let me live preview, this is just like an edge line giver. So here you can change it to vertical lines or horizontal lines, or if you don't want to be inverted but inverting it's good, then you can make it all, so all sides edge would be there. So that's pretty good. Apply, it would be applied. So that's what I can tell about that. Image effects, frame point. That looks pretty cool. Today's effects are pretty good because it's image pen and image effect. So that's why it's going to be really great. Sharpen. So what is sharpen? It sharpens the whole area around it. So it was like this, a little more sharpened. So filters, image effects sharpen more. It actually sharpens more. So filters, image effects, soft focus lens. So it just increases the brightness and a little bit of edge. Edge becomes sharpened. So image paint and draw. Alpha draw liquid. So there are two options continuously. I have already set these options. As you can see, I will always do a trial, 1 or 2 trials before starting to understand video's length, plus some more other options. So now here, if you increase transparency, you can increase dent, inverted transparency. If you want it to be drawing mode, you can off drawing mode. If you want it to be normal, you can make it normal blend. If it's not inverted, it's going to be worse. So I recommend putting all of this on. Then you can decrease and increase. The saturation is the best thing to use here. If you make it here, around here, yes, this part is really crazy. Noise reduction isn't that bad. You can increase the smoothness. Yes, that's also, it's a pretty good effect. And just give some variation, expansion, erosion, and that's it. That's all I have to talk about. It's so great and plus very effective for thumbnails. So I am doing a part buying, so that's why I'm giving like these types of thumbnails. And I have updated my keyboard shortcut part 1 thumbnail, so check that thumbnail out. So now image pen and draw, cross engraving. So this is also another option. This is smaller option, so it's much smoother. So here what I have to do is dilation, it's pretty black. So length, actually it always comes black if you even just make it transparent, because it's pretty like that. But still, at least good though. It doesn't feel like no use, so I don't recommend you using that. So I'm not going to again put sound because drawing an ultras is there. Cross noise poster. It's like the grain, little bit of difference. Filters, image paint and draw, cross noise poster B. So this is, I don't know if that is better than this, but I think A is better than B. Image paint and draw drawing. So this is a big, but it's pretty cool option also, because I tested everything before letting you know. So don't. So now here you can increase the strength. Strength does matter, okay? If you make the strength 20, it's perfect. So clean up. This is very handy for thumbnails. Clean up around this much, okay? Erase. I don't recommend you using erase. Erase can be 0. Strength. Don't increase the strength. Just make it not 0. Maybe around this much. Dilation. Don't increase dilation. Don't increase too much. It would be hard to make it right if you have made it wrong, because it's so hard. 6.3. Okay, that's now it can stay there. So don't change dilation or like that. Erosion. Don't decrease erosion also. Oh my god, that's the hard part. Level. You can melt it a lot or just a little much. Dilation, which will expand it a lot. Erosion, it is also pretty good. And then you can set the colors. Fill color means inside this part it will change the color of this part. See? And next is, this is a stroke. So if I give a stroke, RGB is good. I think SSL is better. So wait a second. Oh wait a second. That's, if you want to make the offset 0, also it's going to be so mega worse. I am telling you. So see, okay. So that's going to be good, and just apply that and it will be applied. So that's a pretty cool one, okay? So filters, that's why it's taking a lot of time. Image drawing base. So I am not going to again put this on because it's not going to be a song or time. Image paint and draw. Light contour. So that doesn't have really a difference. It just becomes a little bit bright and heavy. Image paint and draw. Liquid drawing. That's like grain, but it little lot of shadows and like painting with a spray bottle. So next one is image paint and draw. Litho. White, plain white. Some are plain white, so that's not good. Image paint and draw. Marbled ink. Oh, do you believe this? I have already know that this is a really great one. Actually, this is really suitable for me. Filters. Image paint and draw. Neon draw. That's also. Live preview. Simplify, you can simplify it. Too much simplification and too less simplification is in that problem. Line width is actually really great because it don't increase the brightness too much. See, like this, increase the line width to max, decrease the simplify to lowest, then make the lightness low according to your choice, still where you want. So I think I will just make it this much. You can make it contrasted or smoothed. You can make it multiply Multiply is much better. Serious? I love multiply. And around here you can just keep it a screen. Screen you have to a little bit more, and that's it. This one also is really great and ideal. Okay, so filters, image, paint and draw, oil painting. Pretty good. Not that idea. Filters, image, paint and draw, old postcard. So that's type of ideal. I don't see any difference. It's just a light green outline. So filters, image, paint and draw, pencil. Some are white, so that's pretty worse. I don't like some effects are white. And you give a color. Next one is the option, not the last option, third last option, point engraving. So this one is a hard one. So I'll just keep it a little bit here so you can see the difference. Okay. So I'm going to live preview this. So it's like one of the options. I don't know what's the option, but you know it, the option. So complexity, variation. So you know what's variation. Noise reduction, no problem. Lightness. I don't recommend to you to too much increase too much lightness. You can't. It will be like this. So grain lightness also I don't erase just a little bit. Blur is pretty good because if you are using a thumbnail, its blur is actually the best, because now this looks really good because it's blurry. If you make it too much, actually it's not bad. So this is really ideal if you are giving only text and images. It's really ideal. Now the color selection. So I have gave it gray, so you can make it another color instead of this color, because this color might not good go. But if you have to see that blurry effect, so this one green might look good. So I'm not telling green. Now this points, because that color also you can select. So now it looks that blurry effect is there. So now image on points. That doesn't do that much, but no need to check image on points and just apply. You get your dreams of thumbnails, not dreams of thumbnails. So that's why it's taken time. I understood why this is taking time. So it might be increasing to part 30 now. Actually there are many more than 100 parts. So next one is poster color font. There is no fun in this. Just a green outline plus other all are black. What was it really? Poster color font. It's black. Poster draw is much better, but not ideal at all. Filters, image, paint and draw, poster draw. Yeah, poster draw. Now poster paint. So I'm going to make it here. So first I'm going to live preview. So this is the default. So first levels. Levels would make it darker and darker, lighter and lighter. So that's what levels mean. You can simplify to primary and secondary. Secondary simplify is just effect for the thumbnail, which feels for me. So you can make thumbnail like this, or like this, or like this, or just plain, or even you can like this, or completely like this. Don't increase saturation like that, you can't see. Post saturation isn't a problem. If you check this, there's not that much difference. Lighten, you can make it normal, darken, multiply and screen. You can make it dented. You can, instead of force, you can make it painting and just apply. That's a pretty cool grading effect. So the second last option has been completed. Poster rough. So that's not that effect, it's just a little bit of color brightness change. So that's it. the last one. Posterize basic is a option and the last option and last filter for today. You can simplify. This is like the broader one. See this? This is actually a thumbnail, and you can don't increase too much levels. Level 1, you can use this in level around level 7, 8, level 19, 18. If simplified 20, you can just decrease the simplified, but simplified should be around this much and apply. This is the last filter, which looks pretty cool, type of ideal for thumbnails, and so that's it. You know that why my voice increased at last. So that's it for today. Today was a really bad day because there was no electricity, because this have lesser battery, but there was electricity, so that's good. So in the next part I might try to complete one filter, which is overlays, because there are rare ones, but there are lesser options like bumps. So I think there's only one option, so I'll give you music and just do it in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.